REACTO IFAS, the next evolution in hybrid wastewater treatment. Conventional wastewater treatment systems often struggle with fluctuating loads, rising operational costs, excess sludge, and space constraints. As environmental regulations tighten and sustainability becomes essential, treatment systems must deliver more, with less footprint, less energy, and less maintenance. That's where REACTO IFAS sets a new standard. Developed by Awatech, REACTO IFAS is an advanced integrated fixed-film activated sludge system engineered to provide reliable, high-efficiency treatment for domestic and industrial wastewater. The process begins in the collection sump, where heavier solids naturally settle. This reduces the load on the biological system and ensures smoother downstream operation. The pre-settled wastewater then enters the IFAS chamber, the core of the treatment process. Inside this chamber, specially designed media provides a vast surface area for beneficial bacteria to attach and grow. These microorganisms form an active biofilm layer that continuously breaks down organic pollutants. At the same time, suspended biomass works alongside the attached biofilm, creating a powerful hybrid treatment environment. Fine bubble aeration ensures consistent oxygen supply, uniform circulation, and energy-efficient performance. As wastewater moves through the reactor, organic matter is efficiently degraded. Nutrients are biologically reduced. Treatment remains stable under variable loads. Biomass washout is minimized. The result is a resilient system capable of handling fluctuations without compromising effluent quality. Final settlement and discharge. After biological treatment, the water flows into the settlement chamber. Here, remaining solids settle naturally. Excess sludge is removed, while treated water is clarified and discharged. The effluent is odor-free, compliant with environmental standards, and suitable for safe discharge or reuse applications. Proven features and benefits. Hybrid technology combines suspended and attached growth for enhanced efficiency. High-performance biomedia. Specialized media maximizes microbial activity. Stable operation. Designed to handle hydraulic and organic load variations. Compact and modular, ideal for new projects and retrofit applications. Low maintenance, minimal moving parts with easy system access. Energy efficient, optimized aeration reduces power consumption. Quiet and reliable, suitable even for residential environments. Flexible installation. Can be installed overground or underground as per site convenience. Why choose REACTO IFAS? Engineered for residential communities, commercial complexes, institutions, and industrial facilities, REACTO IFAS delivers dependable performance in real-world conditions. It offers compact design, long-term durability, consistent compliance, and cost-effective operation, making it a smart, sustainable solution for modern wastewater challenges. Thinking sustainable? Think REACTO IFAS. Contact us today to discover how REACTO IFAS can transform your wastewater treatment into a stable, efficient, and future-ready system.